What's up, family status? I hope everyone having a great morning, great evening, great afternoon. Today I'm gonna show you how to grow and harvest sunflowers. Sunflowers are one of the easiest flowers to grow. All you need is well-drained, fertile soil and at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sun. So how do you plant sunflowers? You could plant sunflower seeds 1 inch deep straight in the ground once temperatures reach above 55 degrees Fahrenheit. They hate cold weather, so make sure you plant them in warm or hot weather. Sunflowers love to eat, so make sure you water them and amend your soil with compost and organic fertilizer. You can use fish fertilizer, blood meal, grass clippings, or Dr. Earth organic all-purpose fertilizer. Doing this will ensure your sunflowers grow big and healthy. There are a ton of sunflower varieties. These are called Pikes Peak sunflowers. Pikes Peak sunflowers can grow up to be 15 feet tall. They also have big sunflower seeds. Two great things about sunflowers. The first thing is that they attract a ton of pollinators. And the second thing is that the roots grow super deep and grab a ton of nutrients. So that way, after you finish harvesting your sunflowers, you can put them in the compost pile, or you can just chop and drop them on top of your soil. So I know your next question is, when are my sunflowers ready to harvest? That depends on what variety of sunflower you're growing. Some are ready in 75 days and some are ready in 90 days. Or you can just wait until your sunflower dry out and harvest them. But when you do that, you risk the chance of losing your sunflowers to squirrels, birds, or something else. Something cool about sunflowers is that they follow the sun from east to west. So check this out. You see how the sun is over there right now? When the sunflowers are young, they face towards that way. And at the end of the day, they face over there, because our sun rises in the east and sets in the west. But once they reach this stage, they don't follow the sun anymore. And they only follow the sun from east to west. So you see them right now? That's why they're facing east. But they won't follow the sun from north to south. So that's the cool thing about sunflowers. And something else cool about sunflowers is that you can put this on the grill and eat this whole sunflower head. Look at that. Look at all of those flowers. Okay, so now that we're done harvesting all of our sunflowers, now it's time to dig them up and put them in the compost pile. Now these are gonna help feed our soil and help us grow big and healthy plants next year. Check it out, we harvested 5 beautiful sunflowers. So before we start harvesting the seeds, we're gonna take off all of those flowers. Look at that. That's amazing, right? That a sunflower head is made up of a ton of small flowers. A lot of people don't know that sunflower seeds come from sunflowers. And I think I forgot to mention that different sunflowers produce different type of seeds. Some of them produce small seeds, some of them produce big seeds. These produce big seeds. Look at all of those seeds. We still have 4 more to go. And if you let your sunflower heads get super dry, it'll be even easier to harvest your seeds. Look at that. Look at all of these seeds from 5 sunflower heads. See this? Ton of seeds, right? And guess how much we paid for about 10 to 15 seeds? Guess. $5. And it's that easy to make your own sunflower seeds. You can add different flavors like ranch, barbecue, or salt to your seeds if you want to.